Honestly and truthfully, it really just boiled down to like, girl, you don't even wear lashes. You don't even like lashes. You don't even wear makeup for real. Like, what are you doing? Make it make sense. Let's first talk about how the Lash business idea even came about. So, the first person to bring it up was a client. They were like, "Do you happen to sell lashes or do you do lashes?" And I was like, "No, lashes aren't really my thing." She was like, "Girl, why not? Like, you're already in the beauty industry, you already have clients here. Like, set you up a little station in your shop and sell the lashes with the brows. Like, make it an upsell." So I got to thinking, like, you know, you might be onto something. So, but again, I'm not a salesperson. Like, I can sell a service, but like selling a product, like, never been my jam, never will be my jam. Yeah, like, you just know what's for you. And I'm not a salesperson, and that's okay. So I started thinking about it, and I ran it by a couple of my family members and my friends, and they all were like in agreement, like, yeah, sell them in your shop. Like, why not? You're already in the beauty industry. Everybody likes lashes. Everybody selling lashes. Like, just do it. Just make sure you're different and you stand out because it is, oversaturated. So, me being me, I just started kind of getting the juices flowing. Started doing a little research like I always do. I looked at a bunch of different lash companies that I had knew and just, like some popular ones that pop up when you came on Instagram. And I saw what they were looking at. Like, again, I don't wear lashes like that. It sounds crazy. I know. It didn't. It kind of sounded crazy at the time, but like I was like, you know what? I'll try anything once. Like, let's get it. So did some research. Of course, I found some vendors. You could see like a bunch of their different styles, and I was looking at different styles. I showed a lot of my friends and family members the different styles because I wanted something that would cater to them because they were going to be my main supporters. And another thing, my biggest thing is I wanted lashes that were natural, not like super dramatic or just super heavy lashes because I knew I was going to have to be wearing them. And I'm not a big dramatic person. Like, I'm not the one that's going to wear like big dramatic lashes. Nowadays, every lash line has these super dramatic lashes, and I wanted to cater to people who wanted lashes, nice natural looking lashes, because they were going to be my biggest supporters. They were going to be the ones to first start them out and test them out. So, me being me, I wanted to be different. I just wanted to be really cute, really elegant, but something that was different because, as we all know, everybody and their mama sells lashes, which is fine because if you're a marketing boss and you good at that, like, you're gonna sell, period. So it don't matter how oversaturated something is. However, if you're me and you've never been a salesperson, like, you might struggle a little bit. So I already knew, like, if you're gonna do this, you better do it. Like, go in, don't even play with it. I have them right here, guys, because I still have a nice inventory. I wanted something cute. I didn't want like your standard square packaging, the just the regular packaging. So I got these little things, and I am so in love with these things. I'm actually really sad that it didn't go the way that I wanted to, because look, when you open these bad boys, bam, there goes the lashes. You got your little mirror, and I got stickers and put the name of the lashes in the middle. And of course, this was my logo on the front. It was real cutesy. Literally, this would serve as a carrying case. This would serve as, like, for me, if I was out and about and I want to take the lashes off, you just boop, boop, pop them right back in your case, close them right up, and put them in your bag. I had these little bags. They're cute, made by my mom, but they're cute. And you would put your lashes in them, like a little travel kit, or like this is what they came in. I had two types of lashes. I had the regular kind and the magnetic kind. So, baby, you had your lash, your bag, in either your regular liner adhesive pen or your magnetic adhesive pen. And like I said, it was all in this little bag so you could carry it together. I just knew I was popping. Oh, and I can't forget the applicator. So I had packages where you can order the whole thing in your bag, or I had where you could just buy the lashes and you still got a bag because, come on, baby, you gonna have to take care of them. You gotta take care of them. So that was my whole little setup. Thought I was doing it right. I was doing it right. I started off so strong. And plus I had the quality lashes. So my lashes, they were lashing, baby. They weren't no cheap like baby doll lashes. Like I did do my research, because one thing about it, I can research. I will research any and everything till I get exactly what I need to be. That's why I thought I was good. It was stimmy check time, and took one of my stimulus checks and I just poured it all into the lash business. Literally, I got a whole bunch of lashes, got my printer, got my printing paper, literally everything for the business. I wrote a list down, and it was pretty much my entire stimulus check on this lash business. I went all in because in my head, honestly and truthfully, I knew it was going to work. I already talked to 1,000,000 women a day. I already have a beauty business. I already had a great following. So in my head, there's no way I could fail. Like, I got this. In my George Lopez voice, like, it was about to go down. And it did go down. It started off great. Everybody was in love with the names, with the whole entire packaging system. Everybody was like, this is so cute. I like this. I had a lot of momentum. I had a lot of supporters. I had people, especially from my hometown. I had like literally most of my orders came from my hometown. So I'll forever be grateful for you guys. It went from just selling lashes in the shop. So I was like, well, if I'm going to have some in the shop, I might as well take it there and have them online. I already knew, like I had watched a ton of YouTube videos about packaging and shipping and where to go. So I decided to use Shopify. Set up a bomb website. The website is actually still up, so I'm going to tag it just so y'all can check it out. It's still up there because, I still have hope. I'm still paying $29 a month. And I ain't had a sale in like 8 months. But, I was so proud. And I keep thinking I'm going to like start it back up, but I really don't know. Let's talk about vendors. I actually had a great relationship with my vendors. I didn't have any problems with communication. They were great. So it really wasn't the vendors. The biggest thing with vendors is you have to buy so many, and I wasn't selling enough to be like, yeah, I buy 200 lashes. Like if I wanted to buy 10 lashes, it was going to be way more than it would be if I was to buy like 100. So that played a big role as well. Just the cash flow wasn't there. When that momentum dies down and you got the first people to buy your lashes, yeah, they'll post pictures, but you can't keep asking them like, send me another picture, send me another picture, send me another picture, because that's not their job. That was my job. I was the promoter. I had to do it. And I wasn't marketing. I didn't know how to market lashes. And the reason why I didn't know how to market lashes was because I don't wear lashes. Like, duh. Didn't register. I just was like, I don't care about marketing. Like, I got a good product. I got a good setup. Like, we're good. Like, I got the knowledge. I know I have good lashes. But marketing is everything. Like, how are you going to sell something if you can't even market it? And baby, I couldn't market it. So that's the biggest reason why I was a flop. The biggest thing that it boiled down to is, yes, I had all the right things. I had all the pieces. I had a beautiful website. I had the beautiful setup. Great names. They were cute. People love the names. But I didn't have the passion. No matter what you want to market, what you want to sell, what you want to do, without passion, it's honestly not going to take you that far with anything. And that was the biggest lesson I learned. I thought I had everything, but you can't always research your way into a passion. So I thank you, as always, for watching. If you have any questions, always drop them below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.